Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to JPG using Microsoft Word. Need to convert a PDF file to a JPG using Microsoft Word. While Word doesn't have a built-in converter, I'll show you a simple method using screenshots and export options. The first step is to open the PDF file in Word, and to do that, just click on Microsoft Word and then click on File and then click on Open, and here you're gonna browse for a PDF file. Let's look, for example, I'm gonna browse in this PC. Let's click, I'm gonna find a PDF file. This is a PDF file. Now this says Word will now convert your PDF file to an editable Word document, and you're just gonna click on yes, okay. And as you can see, the PDF file has been converted to a modified Word document. It's editable text. The second step is to take a screenshot and save as JPG. And to do that, scroll to the page you want to convert and press Windows plus Shift plus S or Command plus Shift plus 4 on Mac to take a screenshot. Just click on Windows, Shift and S. And here you're gonna screenshot the page. For example, this one. And then paste it into Paint in Windows or Preview on Mac and save it as a JPG. As for the third step is to save the Word document as an image. And to do that, if you want to convert multiple pages, go to Files and click to let's enable editing. Click on OK. And then select from the save type. Let's look for select web HTML. This one right here, and save it. The image from the document will be exported as separate JPG files in the output folder. Now for high quality conversion, use free online tools like Small PDF or Adobe Acrobat Online, and if you need a batch version, save your PDF as a PowerPoint file first, then export slides as images. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you convert a PDF to a JPG using Microsoft Word. Use screenshots for quick images or save the files as a web page for batch conversions. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.